Alright, Math fam, it's time to do some more 3D geometry, and we're going to be doing more surface area, but today we're going to be doing surface area of pyramids, specifically triangular pyramids. So we looked at the net of a pyramid yesterday where the pyramid had a square or rectangular base. Same concept today, except today the base is going to be a triangle, thus the name triangular pyramid. Remember, the name of the base is in the name of the actual shape. So find the surface area of the triangular pyramid. I'm going to go through two examples, and that's it for today. Super short and sweet. Use them to guide you through the problems if you feel stuck. First things first, if you were to unfold this guy, it would look like this. If you're not a person who can come up with a net on your own, do the method of listing out all of the sides and then putting it together. So I'm going to use red for the base or the bottom of the figure, which if it's a triangular pyramid, the base is a triangle. And for my triangle formula, area of a triangle is half times the base of the triangle times the height of the triangle. So in this triangular shape here, the base is 6. I'm outlining that right here. And the height goes from the base up to the tippy top. That's this measure, so it's 5.2. So I'll redraw it. 5 2/10 feet, and the base is 6 feet. So half times 6 times 5 2/10. That's going to be the area of the base. The area of the base, if you compute that, is 15.6 feet squared. And then we're off to do the other three faces of this shape, and those faces are all triangle. So I'm going to put triangle faces in parentheses 3, because there's 3 of them. These 3 are all the same. They're all a triangle with a base of 6 and a height, which we can see right here, of 8. So I'll draw that out for you. It's got a height of 8 and a base of 6. And there's 3 of them. So what I'm going to do is find the area of one of them, half times base times height, which is 24. And then I'm just going to, instead of doing that 3 times, that same process, I'm just going to triple that area. And that stands for all 3 of the blue faces. Okay. And then last but not least, if I want to get a total surface area is equal to the sum of all of the areas of the faces. So that's the base of 15.6 plus the 3 triangular faces. So in total, the surface area of this figure is 87 and 6/10 square feet. Cool. And just for kicks, we'll do one more together, and then you're off to practice. So we've got a triangular pyramid. If you were to unfold it, and for those of you who can actually unfold it yourselves, kudos. I'm going to list out the sides for you. The base is a triangle, and we can see that the base of the triangle is 4, and the height of that base triangle is 3.5. So the height, 3.5. The bottom of the triangle is supposed to be a 4. So half times 4 times 3.5 is 7. Okay, so the area of the base is 7 square feet. And then we've got 1, 2, 3. We've got 3 triangular faces. So 3 faces. And these are triangles with a base. And I'll go back to the original shape for this. they have a base of 4 and a height going right up that center of 7 and 8 tenths. So a base of 4 and a height of 7 and 8 tenths. So half times 4 times 7 and 8 tenths is 15 and 6 tenths. Again, save yourself a little bit of time. Don't do the same thing thrice. Instead, just triple that. So 15 and 6 tenths tripled is 46 and 8 tenths square feet. And then put it together, and what do you got? Bippity boppity. Surface area. So I'm going to put together the 7 and the 46 and 8 tenths for a grand total of 53 and 8. Oh, I put feet up here. I apologize. That's a typo. It should be inches. Inches squared, not feet. And there you go. Surface area of triangular pyramids. As always, if you have questions, let us know. Otherwise, do your best on today's practice problems. You have 5 of them. They are all triangular pyramids. The shapes are all the same. You just need to use different numbers from time to time, and I'd advise you to use this method of listing out the sides, redrawing the shapes so that you know what measures are what, show your work, and yeah, have fun. It's Friday. Woo!